other ahadith mentioning the bazaars of Jannah. Every Friday there will be a bazaar in Jannah. You know, on Friday Allah Ta'ala says that leave everything. إِذَا نُودِيَ لِلصَّلَاةِ مِنْ يَوْمِ الْجُمُعَةِ فَاسْعَوْا إِلَىٰ ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ وَذَرُوا الْبَيْعَ. That leave the dunya on Friday. Come to the masjid, listen to the dhikr of Allah, listen to the khutbah, pray your salah, and then go out and earn your livelihood. So Allah Ta'ala has stopped us from the bazaars of the dunya on Fridays. In replacement for that, ulama say Allah Ta'ala will give us a bazaar on Friday in Jannah. A special bazaar, where a person can go and shop his beauty. He can shop his looks. Today what we are doing, we try this anti-aging creams and this cream and that cream and nothing works. And the companies keep getting richer and richer, and our skin becomes more and more wrinkled. More and more chemicals are inside our bodies. In Jannah, the person will be able to choose that I would like to look like this today. And automatically he will be turned into that. When he will return back to his palaces, his wives will look at him and they will say, Wallahi, Wallahi, laqad zitta husnan sab'ina mirara. That you have become 70 times more handsome than what you were before. So he will tell her that Allah's qasam, you have become 70 times more beautifuler than what you were before. Just like how Allah has no ending, the bounties of Jannah also has no ending. It will continue. It is beyond our imagination. But for that, my dear respected elders and brothers, Allah Ta'ala says, وَلَدَارُ الْآخِرَةِ هِيَ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. That the world, the life hereafter is the ultimate life, is the everlasting life. It is there forever and forever. Don't destroy yourself in this dunya. What is dunya? Mata'ul ghurur. Al-mal wal-banun, zinatul hayat ad-dunya, wal-baqiyat as-salihat, khayrun 'inda rabbika thawaban wa khayrun amala. And what will earn you the akhirat is baqiyat as-salihat. The good deeds that you will do in this world. You know, in Urdu they say, Neki kar darya mein dal. The good deeds that you do in this world, it will benefit you in akhirat.